And now let's get to business. The government is transforming sugar factories into a major producer of electricity and biofuel as part of a broader strategy to strengthen energy security, reduce fuel imports, of course, boost value addition. Now, Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says the government is positioning sugar factories as integrated industrial hubs producing sugar, electricity, and ethanol and other high-value products from sugarcane. Take a look.
Kenya is working on a plan to empower sugar factories become key players in electricity generation from bagasse, a fibrous byproduct of sugar processing that is often underutilized.
That we in agriculture can work with the energy ministry to make sure that as agriculturists, we also supply energy to the Ministry of Energy rather than importing everything from outside the country.
During a visit to West Valley Sugar Company in Kericho County, Kagwe noted that the government is working with the Ministry of Energy to establish frameworks that will allow millers to sell the electricity to the national grid, which will generate revenue for sugar factories and farmers.
We must come together very quickly to start buying the extra power that the sugar mills are producing. For example, in this factory, the directors have just told me that they are capable. They are producing, is it 30? 5 point something megawatts. And they told me they can double that if necessary. They are producing 5.5 megawatts with only 30% of the bagasse that they have.
The move will push up ethanol production and reduce dependence on imported petroleum products.
You have seen for yourselves what has happened in the Middle East. The petrochemical sector is being affected very seriously. And if we can produce sufficient ethanol in this country and we combine it with the imported petrol and otherwise, then we can be able to lower down the cost of importation and save foreign exchange.
West Valley Sugar Company currently produces about 20,000 liters of ethanol daily, which Kagwe says is a model for transformation of the sugar industry. Trevor Ngendo for Lunchtime News.